What's up, YouTube? It's the boy, the Barber TZ, and we're back with another tutorial. You see me dancing in the background. This is going to be a simple tutorial, no titles. We'll do a basic voiceover. We are going to do the start of a crop. I'm going to say the start because he had a side part, and so we have to grow in a part of it, but we're going to do our best to try to set ourselves up for a good crop later down the road. So first step we're going to do is use our Andis cordless TL liners and set our bald line. A little out of focus right here, but I will fix that in a second. But we're going to set our first drop guideline for the bald with the TL liners, and then we will follow that up with the shaver once we get that set. This is a quick tutorial too. It's only like 10 minutes long, which is dope. And I'm not going to talk a whole bunch. I'm a little sick right now, but I'm just going to cover the basic stuff. Hopefully you guys can follow along with the guides. I'm editing on my phone, so I'm not sure how to add in the titles, but I wanted to put this out anyways because it's been a minute, and I told you guys I wanted to get back to regular uploads, but editing from my phone is tough, but we're going to try it anyways. So let me know what you guys think of the editing on here. It's pretty basic, but it'll work. So like I said, we followed up with a shaver. I think I'm using my Wall Seniors in this one. I haven't used my Seniors in a while. So right here, we're gonna do some scissor work. We're gonna wet the hair down. I'm gonna basically just do one section down the center of his head and then pull everything else to the edges, and that's gonna create my box graduation, or my box guide, I guess. I don't know, it's not really a graduation, but you guys can see what I mean. So I section the top where I want my center of my crop to be, and then I'm going to just pull everything to the sides and create my guideline like so. That way I know what I'm fading up into, and it eliminates a lot of guesswork and creates my shape. So you guys can see I'm just pulling everything to the edge, straight off the head, and cutting it straight across. And then once I do that, once I pull my top piece, all I have to do is go straight across, and it'll match to the guides that I set on the side. As you can see, that's going to create my square top. Nice and simple. Just going to touch up the fringe area in the front so I can create my shape in the front. He didn't want his bangs too short, so I left them pretty long, but I wanted to go straight across. Right here, I'm just going to add some texture into the top. It's going to add some movement and some pieciness. Right here, I'm going to add some 245 clay while his hair is still wet, and then I'm going to use my diffuser to blow dry his hair into the almost finished look, but I just basically want to get the hair dry and set so that I can fade into it easier. So I'm going to apply it thoroughly through his hair. And you can see already the clay like brings out texture like crazy. But now I'm gonna do my diffuser and my Babyliss blow dryer. I'm gonna do medium heat, high volume through my diffuser, and pretty much just dry it with my hands and just hold the diffuser right over it. Very, very simple to dry this haircut. And you can see as I start to dry the hair, you'll see a lot of the texture start coming out, which is dope. His blonde highlight makes it like pop, give it like a creative flair to it too, which is why I wanted to do this haircut on him. Okay, now we're gonna start our fading process. And I believe that's the 1.5. I'm gonna set my first guideline after my bald. Now we're gonna just go to a clipper open. I'm sorry, this is the half guard. Set our next guideline. Sorry, that was just the clipper open. This is my half guard. I'm all over the place right now. It's been a while since I've done a tutorial, but I'm doing this voiceover in one take. So half guard, open. A lot of you guys know that I skip the 1 a lot of times with the 1.5 to the half open. And then from here, I'm just gonna do some shear over comb for my 1.5. These chunkers that I use from Hanzo are nuts. Like, they're 13 teeth chunkers and they take out so much hair. But they're sick for like debulking like on the side of a head. It's crazy. All right, same process on this side. Start with our 1.5, closed, guideline. Then we're gonna go open clipper, fade out that line, slowly closing the lever. And then we're gonna go half guard, open, slowly closing down the lever. Super simple. And then we'll just finish it off with some shear over comb. If anybody else is sick, comment below, yo. This came out of nowhere. I'm feeling like crap today. Shear over comb with the Hanzos. Like I said, these chunkers are nuts. They take out so much hair, but they're sick because if you know how to use them, they blend like crazy and they add amazing texture. Do me a favor, guys, and rate the cut in the comment section below. If you guys liked it, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, definitely hit the dislike button. Give me some feedback. Right here, I'm just gonna line up his corners. And then I do believe I hit him with some no drip too. That new Onyx is nuts. That new Onyx Black is crazy. Crazy. I've been running through that stuff like nothing. Whew, that Onyx Black is insane. So right here, I'm just adding a little bit more clay to try to finish off the look. Try to bring out some more pieciness, twisting some little ends. Just trying to give it a finished look. And then I'll show you guys what the cut looks like here in a second. Here comes the no drip. Boom. My cordless compressor was on the charger, the XL. Shout out Sean Cuts Hair for the card, the lineup card. That thing's insane. Man, it feels good to be back with a tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Check out the finished product. I don't know why I walked around it like that. Finished product. Let me know what you guys think. Boom. If you guys like it, drop a comment below. If you didn't like it, also drop a comment below. I'll see you guys later. Peace.